Hello everybody, good morning to one and all. Today our topic is salient features of crystal field theory. Salient features of crystal field theory. See, drawbacks of the valency band theory. First theory is valency band theory. To overcome the drawbacks of valency band theory, crystal field theory developed. So, first of all, we should see what are the drawbacks of the valency band theory. Valency band theory, first drawback is it does not explain the color of coordination compound. Next one, cannot explain magnetic behavior based on geometry. Next one, does not explain why some called inner and outer complex, some metal ion in the same oxidation state. Next one, fails to predict the exact geometry of the complexes with the coordination number 4. There are 4 drawbacks mainly in valency band theory. It could not explain color. It could not explain magnetic character. It could not explain oxidation state of same metal. It could not explain geometry of the complexes with the coordination number is 4. Next drawback is it does not distinguish weak field and strong field of ligand. Next one, it cannot predict exactly the tetrahedral and square planar structure of 4 coordinate. These are the drawbacks of the valency band theory. See the crystal field theory. The crystal field theory was proposed by Hans Bethe and Van Vleck. The crystal field theory was proposed by Hans Bethe and Van Vleck. Van Vleck, these two scientists proposed crystal field theory. Crystal field theory assumes that the interaction between metal ion and the ligand is purely electrostatic. Crystal field theory assumes that the interaction between metal ion and the ligand is purely electrostatic. That means in between ligand and metal ion there are purely electrostatic attraction forces. See the salient features of crystal field theory. First one, central metal atom or ion is surrounded by various ligands which are either negative charge or neutral molecule. The central metal atom or ion is surrounded by various ligands, different ligands. The ligands which are either negative charge or neutral molecule. Next one, the electrostatic interaction between metal and ligand. Metal and ligand, where M means metal, L means ligand. Example, iron and Co plus 3 ion, Fe minus and Co plus 3 ion. Co plus 3 is the Fe is the Co plus 3 is the central metal ion, Fe minus is ligand. Next one, central metal atom have 5 degenerated orbital. The central metal have 5 degenerated orbital. Those are d orbitals are 5 d orbitals, dxy, dyz, dxz. These are in between the axis. Dx square, y square, dz square are along the axis orbitals. Okay, these are the d orbital structure. This one is dxy, this one is dyz, this one is dxz, this one is dx square y square, this one is dz square. These are the 5 degenerated orbitals present in crystal field theory. See next salient feature. When the ligands approach the metal ion due to repulsion forces, the degeneracy of d orbitals is destroyed and they split into 2 groups of different energy level, that is T2z and EZ orbital. This effect is called crystal field splitting. Crystal field splitting. In case of this is the energy increasing order, this is isolated atom or ion. Okay, whenever ligand approaches to the central metal atom, the d orbitals are separated into 2 sets. Okay, 2 sets, that is T2g set, EZ set. In case of octahedral crystal field, dxy, dxz, dyz are lower energy, dx square, y square and dz square have higher energy, that is the excited energy. Where T2g means triply degeneracy state, EZ means excited state. Okay, this is the another salient feature. See next salient feature. Due to repulsion, the orbitals along the axis of ligands acquire higher energy, while those lying in between the ligands acquire less energy. Due to repulsion forces, the orbitals along the axis of ligands acquire higher energy, while those, that means orbitals along the axis acquires higher energy. Orbitals between the axis acquires less energy. This high energy and less energy are important. Along the axis orbitals acquires higher energy. Between the axis orbitals acquires less energy. Next one, it does not show the overlapping. It does not show the overlapping. Next one, from the crystal field stability energy, the stability of the complexes can be known. Based upon crystal field stability energy, the stability of the complexes can be known. We should easily identify the stability of the molecule based upon crystal field stability energy, that is the crystal field splitting energy. Next one, see the definition of crystal field splitting. Splitting of 5 degenerated d orbitals. Here crystal field stabilization energy, change in energy achieved by filling of electron in orbital in complex metal atom. Change the energy. The energy change achieved by filling up electron. Whenever we should add one electron to the atom or ion or molecule, that atom gains energy. This energy is nothing but crystal field stabilization energy. Next one, see high spin complex. High spin complex is nothing but spin free. Greater number of unpaired electrons and hence higher value of resultant spin and magnetic moment is called, that is the high spin complex spin free. In case of low spin complex pairing energy, the energy required to pair 2 electron against the electron-electron repulsion in the same orbital of a metal atom. The energy required to pair 2 electron against the electron repulsion in the same orbital of a metal atom. Here repulsions is there. In case of number of unpaired electron, there is no repulsion. In case of pair electron, repulsions is there. The pairing is nothing but low spin complex. Not pairing is nothing but that is a high spin complex. High spin complex another name spin free. Low spin complex another name pairing energy. Next one, see spectrochemical series. Spectrochemical series. The first point, the arrangement of various ligands. The arrangement of various ligands in the decreasing order of their field strength and the splitting power of d orbitals of the metal atom. Okay, in case strong field ligand have higher splitting power of d orbital, hence higher crystal field splitting energy del naught. While weak condition, the field strength of ligand does not depend upon the geometry of the complex or nature of central metal atom or ion. The field strength of ligand does not depend upon the geometry of the complex or nature of central metal atom or ion. This is the spectrochemical series. The decreasing order of field strength of some of the ligand is CO is greater than to Cn, where CO is nothing but carbonyl compounds greater than to Cn cyanide, next one ammonia, next one is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraesteric acid, water, hydroxide, fluoride, sulfide, and then chloride. This series depends on the power of splitting the d orbitals and is called spectrochemical series. The decreasing order of field strength of the sum of the ligand. Here CO carbonyl compounds have higher energy, chloride have lower energy. This is the spectrochemical series. See the arrangement of ligands according to their ability to increase for a given metal center. Here there are the strong field ligand and weak field ligand. A series is there. The starting ligands are weak field ligands from ending to strong field ligands. Weak field ligands iodide, bromide, thiocyanide, chloride, nitride, fluoride, urea, hydroxide, oxide, oxygen, water, thiocyanide, pyridine, ammonia, and bisphenol, phenyl, nitrate, methyl, benzyl, cyanide, carbonyl. Carbonyl are very strong one. Halogen elements, iodine and bromide are weak field ligands. This is the strong field and weak field character according to spectrochemical series. See colors in coordination compound. Crystal field theory explains the colors in coordination compounds. The transition metal atoms are ions with one or more unpaired electrons and their complexes exhibit color both in their solid and in solution state. The transition metal atoms are ion with one or more unpaired electrons and their complexes exhibit color both in their solid and in solution state. Ions with one or more unpaired electrons. Transition metal atoms have one or more unpaired electrons which exhibits color in their solid state or in soluble state. If absorption occurs, then the transmitted light bears a color complementarity to the color of the light absorbed. Okay, these are the colors. Cobalt chloride combination of ammonium exhibits color of light absorbed yellow color. Color of coordination entity is violet. These are the some coordination compounds exhibits different colors. Next one, see application of coordination compounds. Application of coordination compound is nothing but application of crystal field theory. There are 7 applications. See, first one is extraction of metal, second one is analytical chemistry, third one is biological importance, fourth one is in medicine, fifth one is in electroplating technique, sixth one is for estimation of hardness of water, seventh one is in modifying the redox behavior of metal ions. See some of the application in brief explanation. See, the first one is extraction of metal. Extraction of metal. Technique used for noble metal like silver and aram. Silver and arum. Noble metals like silver and gold are extracted from their ore by the formation of cyanide complexes. Here dicyanoargentine 1 and dicyanoaurate 1. Here see dicyanoargentate, that is Az2S plus 4NaCN, dicyanoargentate, okay, plus sodium salt is there. These are the reactions. Extraction of metals, we use coordination compounds. Now second application is analytical chemistry. This is the laboratory technique in qualitative and quantitative analysis. In the qualitative methods of analysis, complex formation of is of immense importance in the identification and separation of most inorganic ions. Okay, the coordination compounds character, we should easily separate the most of the inorganic ions. Copper plus 2 plus 4 cyanide to form copper tetracyanide. Okay, cadmium plus 2 plus 4 cyanide molecule to form cadmium tetracyanide. Since copper is more stable than cadmium, cadmium, therefore on passing H2S only CDS is precipitated. The CD plus 2 ion easily detected in the presence of Cu plus 2 ion. Okay, by passing H2S gas through the cadmium metal, that cadmium metal easily detected the reacted with H2S gas. Okay, that's why we easily separate cadmium metal in the O, that is the analytical chemistry application. Next one, third one, biological importance. Okay, here significant role in plant, that is chlorophyll, magnesium and animal vitamin B12 Okay, in biological importance is we signify role in plant, that is chlorophyll having plant having leaves consisting of chlorophyll pigments. This is the green pigments chlorophyll have magnesium element, and animal consisting of vitamin B12. Hemoglobin, red pigment of blood that acts as the oxygen carrier, is a coordination compound of iron. This is the hemoglobin structure. Our blood having hemoglobin. Metal is the iron metal. Iron is the central metal atom which is surrounded by different ligands. Okay, this is the biological importance. Next one, see in medicine purpose. In medicine purpose, treatment of cancer, cisplatin, platinum, cis platinum chloride NH3 twice. EDTA is used to treat lead poisoning. Okay, EDTA complex also used to treat lead poisoning. Treatment of cancer, we use cisplatin, platinum cis, that is a PTCl2 NH3 twice. Okay, this is the medicine purpose. EDTA and cisplatin, also both are cisplatin used to treatment of cancer. EDTA is used to treat lead poisoning. This is the EDTA structure. Okay, in laboratory we use EDTA to estimate the hardness of the water. That is the one more application, hardness of the water. The hardness of water is estimated by titration with the sodium salt of EDTA. During titration, the calcium and magnesium ions in hard water from the stable complexes. Calcium EDTA and magnesium EDTA stability is different. Okay, EDTA is combined with calcium, EDTA also combined with magnesium. The magnesium EDTA and calcium EDTA stability is different. That's why we easily identify hardness character present in water sample. These are the applications of crystal field theory. This one, students, Okay, crystal field theory, salient features of crystal field theory, and examples of coordination compounds and applications of crystal field theory, that is the coordination compounds. Okay, that's enough students. I think you should clear about